Hi, my name is Mustafa. I'm the Global Director for Enterprise Cloud Support. It's been about 13 years at Red Hat, and I started my career as a sysadmin and a programmer. So definitely automation is not new to me. I've used automation for managing multiple systems, setting up environments for my peer developers. In my days, I played around with the shell, awk, and a bit of Puppet as well. Now, what's so interesting about Ansible, I find, is that Ansible is really sysadmin friendly, and that's what businesses like the most, because they don't have to look at having additional skills. Because I remember in the early days when I was playing around with Puppet, I need to pick up a little bit of Ruby like skills, some DSL type constructs, which was okay since I was a developer myself. But I can see how traditional sysadmins might find it a little bit more difficult. Just my thoughts. So definitely in those aspects, Ansible comes out as a clear winner in my opinion. That can simply use a YAML construct to set up the automation for the systems, and this is getting even more important as we move away from clusters to cloud environments where the number of nodes on the systems has increased exponentially, and automation needs are even more desired for businesses. So definitely this is a big plus point about its configuration and syntax for setting up the automation playbooks. The other cool thing is what I've heard businesses talk about when it comes to Ansible is the lack of an agent master model and use of a plain SSH to really set up the automation workflow. Uh, this is very easy from this is very important from security management. I remember when I looked at some of the other automation alternatives, there was a need to set up some firewall across VPN to allow the master agent model. But with Ansible, it can just leverage the traditional SSH that generally is available by default. So that is one of the great things, and it also not only it helps with some of the network management, but it also makes it easy for from security standpoint, because you do not need any additional libraries and you have the traditional SSH, just a traditional SSH to work with, which obviously manages all the security at the underlying layer. So I think that's a great thing. We have a lot of customers uses like Splunk, Capital One, FatMap, and many other customers. Right, these are the public references that you can read more about at the Ansible.com site. But many other customers are continuing to rely on Ansible for their automation needs. The other good thing is that after Red Hat acquired it, while definitely we have the whole enterprise value proposition as a part of Ansible product now, but we are also looking at integrating Ansible as a core for management and automation in our other products like CloudForms, OpenStack, Satellite as well. So what the businesses and customers can expect is a common foundation for these automation framework, and there is an opportunity to use some of the existing playbooks as a part of these products like CloudForms, for example, and a familiarity with how the automation will play out when Ansible is included under these products. So definitely that's another big plus point because it provides a common underlying framework for management and automation for these products. So I think that's a big plus point. Uh, that's what I have to share for now, friends. I hope you have a good fun time at the Ansible Fest event. See, have a great time. Bye.